We got electrical issues today. Door window won't go up and down, and door ajar light stays on, which keeps your dome light on. Let's fix it. So the door ajar light was staying on about 90% of the time. I found out it was the passenger side door by opening and closing it, and then every once in a while it would shut off. So first thing I did was to inspect these wires right here, which are real common to go out. They all look clean. These switches are known to rust up, and so what I did was I sprayed some PB Blaster in here and opened and closed the door a couple times. All of a sudden it works perfectly like it should. This is the same door where the window won't go up and down. So we had no ground over here for the window. We come around to the driver's side because it does feed off of this panel. And check it out, here's the new goose grip light I just got in. This one has a heavy duty magnet. Oh my God, that's tough. Anyways, and it's got 4 magnets on here to put places. I'll pull the boot off. I see somebody's repaired it before. Check that out. But that's not the wire we're looking for. We're looking for the yellow and white wire. And we go over here, and there she is. Bingo, broken off. So we get to find the other side of that wire, reconnect it, and see if our window will go up and down from this control panel. All right, we had to take both door panels apart, fix wiring, but now the window goes up and down. Let's go. It's all done.